In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a grid and grid lines to map in ArcGIS. Now, the easiest way to do this is as follows. When you open up your map, you can see here at the bottom, there's a bunch of different buttons, and the second one will add grid lines. So if I click on that, it's going to enable grid and grid lines just like this, as you can see. Now, if you right click on it like this, you can go ahead and change the spacing as well as the unit over here, and then the rotation if you want it as well. Then you have a bunch of different rotation settings over here, and you can also click on grid settings for more in-depth settings in here, okay, such as like scale and stuff like that. So that's how to add grid lines or a grid onto a map. However, if you're currently on a layout view like this, so I have like a layout over here, you can also add grid lines on here, or actually a grid. So you can click on that grid to select it. You want to go to Insert tab up top, and then from here you see it says Grid. Now make sure your map is selected, because if it's not, it's going to be grayed out. And then click on Grid, and then here you have a bunch of different presets. You can just click on whichever one you want, or create a custom one by clicking this button, and whenever you do so, as you can see, it's going to add a grid onto your map. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.